Something inside your body could be getting weaker right now. It doesn't scream, it doesn't warn you, and most people don't notice it until real damage is done. If you think you would feel it in time, think again. Doctors see the consequences every day. Hospitals treat the results, but almost no one talks about what could have been done earlier. And no, this isn't about a rare disease. This is about everyday health problems silently building up. What if I told you that many common health issues don't start with pain? They start with deficiencies, with inflammation, with imbalances your body tries to fix quietly. And what if the solution wasn't complicated, not expensive, not extreme, but something people overlook every single day? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand what your body has been asking for and how simple choices can change how you feel, move, and live. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most chronic health problems don't appear overnight. They build slowly, day after day, meal after meal. Low energy becomes normal. Joint pain is ignored. Poor sleep is accepted, and blood markers quietly drift in the wrong direction. Until one day, it's no longer easy to fix. But there's a window, and many people miss it. The truth is this: food isn't just fuel. Food is information, and certain foods send powerful healing signals to the body. When combined the right way, they don't just nourish, they support specific systems. And today, I'm going to show you 5 simple juice combinations, each designed to help a common health issue before it gets worse. Number 1. Anemia, low energy and weakness. Anemia often whispers before it screams. Fatigue, dizziness, shortness of breath. One powerful juice combination includes beetroot, apple, and carrot. Beetroot supports iron levels, apple improves absorption, and carrot adds antioxidants and vitamin support. This blend helps boost red blood cell production and improves oxygen flow throughout the body. Many people feel the difference in energy within days. Number 2. Inflammation, the root of many diseases. Inflammation is silent, but it's behind joint pain, muscle soreness, and stiffness. This juice combines avocado, cucumber, and ginger. Avocado provides healthy fats. Cucumber hydrates and cools, and ginger actively reduces inflammation. This is especially powerful for joints and muscles, and for people who wake up feeling stiff. If this kind of knowledge matters to your health or someone you love, subscribe now, because everything on this channel is about prevention, not reaction. Number 3. Fatigue, when energy disappears. Constant fatigue isn't normal. It's a signal. This energizing blend includes tomato, orange, and turmeric. Vitamin C boosts immunity and energy. Turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation at the cellular level. This juice helps restore vitality and supports the body's natural energy systems. 4. Cholesterol, what you can't feel. High cholesterol rarely causes symptoms until it causes serious problems. This heart-supporting juice includes grapefruit, carrot, and ginger. Fiber helps reduce LDL cholesterol. Antioxidants protect blood vessels, and ginger improves circulation. This combination supports heart health naturally, when used consistently. Number 5. Insomnia, when the body can't rest. Poor sleep slowly destroys health, mental clarity, hormonal balance. This calming juice includes kiwi and ginger. Kiwi contains natural serotonin, which supports better sleep cycles. Ginger relaxes the body and improves digestion, helping the nervous system calm down. None of these juices are magic, but consistency is. Your body is always communicating. The question is, are you listening? Small daily choices, repeated over time, create powerful results. If this video helped you see food differently, subscribe to this channel and share this with someone you care about, because sometimes the right information at the right time can change a life.